Hi everyone, I'm August. Thank you for being here. This week I'm doing a simple swipe with 4 colors. So it ended up coming out looking like an ocean with a sunset. I did not plan that. I was just kind of playing with colors, swiped them, spun it out, and I was like, oh, that's freaking awesome. Bad news, I do not have the dry painting. So there was a mishap with the box that I put over it to cover it while it was drying. So I don't have it, which bums me out because I really did like this one, but I'll show you how we did it. I am using a Shelly Art bloom recipe, but this should work with whatever pouring medium you're using. I came in, laid down pillow paint, a white one for the base, and just started putting those 4 colors down. I did kind of drizzle some over the other to blend them a little bit. And then I came in and put a Shelly Art Cell Activator on the back of my palette knife. Whatever cell activator you're using should work just fine. And you are just swiping over those colors. Spin it out and you should get a pretty cool painting. So I think this is a easy technique if you're starting out. At least for me, I like the swipes a lot better than, say a bloom or something like that. So yeah, hope the video is helpful. Cannot forget that my partners, Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture, are premiering directly after me. Their videos and channels are in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Believe that was everything to go over. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and thank you for being here.